We are deeply saddened to announce the death of our beloved Makada Riviere of Market Road, Soufrière, who died at the Victoria Hospital on Sunday, July 23, 2017, at approximately 5:45 a.m. She was 14 years old. She was a student of the Soufrière Secondary School. The funeral service of the late Makada Riviere will be held at Our Lady of the Assumption Church, Soufrière, on Saturday, August 5th, 2017 at 2 p.m., and her body will be laid to rest at the Soufrière Cemetery. May she rest in peace. Her body now lies at Rambali's Funeral Parlor on Calvary Road, Castries.